How can I fix the issue of callers not being able to hear me on my AirPods?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll discuss a common issue faced by AirPods users: callers not being able to hear you during phone calls. If you've experienced this problem, don't worry. We'll go through some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve it. Let's get started.
Check AirPods microphone settings.
The first thing you should do is check the microphone settings on your AirPods. Follow these steps. 1. Connect your AirPods to your device. 2. Open the settings menu on your device and navigate to the Bluetooth settings. 3. Find your AirPods in the list of connected devices and tap on the eye icon next to them. 4. Look for the microphone settings and make sure it's set to use the AirPods microphone for calls.
Clean the AirPods and charging case.
Sometimes, dirt or debris can accumulate on the microphone or inside the AirPods and interfere with the sound quality. To clean them, follow these steps. 1. Gently remove the AirPods from the charging case. 2. Inspect the microphone area on each AirPod for any visible debris. 3. Use a soft, lint-free cloth or a cotton swab lightly dampened with water to clean the microphones and the entire surface of the AirPods. 4. Similarly, clean the charging case, paying attention to the area where the AirPods make contact with the case.
Reset AirPods settings.
If the issue persists, resetting the AirPods settings might help. Here's how you can do it. 1. Place both AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. 2. Wait for about 30 seconds, then open the lid. 3. On your device, go to the Bluetooth settings and forget the AirPods. 4. Open the lid of the charging case and press and hold the button on the back until the LED light on the case starts flashing amber. 5. Once the LED light flashes white, your AirPods have been reset.
Update firmware and device software.
Ensuring that your AirPods have the latest firmware and your device is running the latest software can often resolve compatibility issues. Check for firmware updates for your AirPods and software updates for your device. Here's what you should do. 1. Connect your AirPods to your device. 2. Open the settings menu on your device and navigate to the Bluetooth settings. 3. Find your AirPods in the list of connected devices and tap on the eye icon next to them. 4. If there's a firmware update available, follow the on-screen instructions to update it. 5. Additionally, check for software updates on your device and install any available updates. That's it for today's video on fixing the issue of callers not being able to hear you on your AirPods. We covered some essential troubleshooting steps, including checking microphone settings, cleaning the AirPods and charging case, resetting AirPods settings, and updating firmware and device software. Remember, if these steps didn't solve the problem, it might be best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more useful videos, and have a great day.